Hi mga kasolarians! For today's video, kay ang unexpected na laag is the best. And especially libre. So di man ta kalaglayo without a car. So thank you for the libreng laag. Kay kapoy kay sa balay. Memorize na ako ang four corners so akong kwarto. Sumuod na kaayo. So thank you for the trip, free tour, free riding on the trip, and be the rocking ship, and a day star, little lark star. So kita kong ako ang mga puhon, puro puhon, Tagaloyan Lord. So kita kong mga motor, and wow, bumblebee yung kulay be. Then kita ko kaning si kuya, patry naman bombahi mong motor kuya. Hindi ko alam, nag-guess niya yung sign language ko eh. Bigas. Wow, look. Hi guys, we are going to Uriwari Falls. And muna siya ang yung scenery full of nature vibes. Or siya bamboo, like bamboo scenery. I don't know how long or ilang taon na ito, pero I'm sure ito ay 100 years old. This is the Uriwari Falls, known as cascading waters that remain cool throughout the year. So, punta tayo dito guys. Hindi pa ito stand. Alam niyo ba kasolarians, I love nature because it understands the kind of silence we can never explain. Without pollution, without toxicity, yung maririnig mo lang yung mga huni ng ibon, huni ng mga hayop, lalo na yung agos ng lawa or tubig. Yung masasabi mo talagang, ang sarap palang mabuhay, ang sarap sa mundong ibabaw. Just explore, enjoy, and no hate, just love. Let's practice my Japanese. では皆様、これからもよろしくお願いいたします。また次の動画でお会いしましょう。それではまたね。See you to my next vlog. Thank you for watching.